Hey, Trevor here from trevormcafee.com, and I want to welcome you to my Inbox Equalizer review. Now, this is something special that is very, very cool. So, Inbox Equalizer is a very unique software for my friends Jorge and Sid. Okay, this is really something special, and I wish I came up with this idea. I love it. I test my subject lines, my email copy, all that kind of stuff in a bunch of different ways. And this software kind of does that, and it's really cool. So, Inbox Equalizer helps you send the perfect email every single time and helps to avoid the spam box. Now, this software checks subject lines, email content against known spam triggers, and offers you a lot of suggestions to fix them right on the spot. It's got a very cool color-coded grading system built right in so you can see the scores. It is very, very cool. Like I said, I wish I had developed this. I'm going to take you through all of this and show you exactly how it works. I love this thing. Jorge and Sid did show me this quite a few weeks back, and they've added even a bunch more. So very cool, very cool. I like it a lot. So just like everything else, I've got a ton of bonuses, especially that fits with Inbox Equalizer. I'm big on email. As you know, you get some of my emails and stuff like that. But, testing subject lines and testing spam filters and stuff, this kind of does it for you. When I do it, I use a few different services. I use headline analyzers to check my subject lines, and I use mail-tester.com, and I use something called Gmask to check my deliverability. Now, this is going to help me improve different ways. I'm still going to use those things, but this is actually really cool, and I'm really excited to show you. So I'm going to show you the bonuses that I have for this. So when you click on my link below this video, it's going to bring you to my bonus page where you can get all of my bonuses when you pick up your copy of Inbox Equalizer. Now, Inbox Equalizer does go live on the 24th of March at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At that time, you can click on any of the red buttons on my bonus page here to pick up your copy of Inbox Equalizer. Like I said, if you're not already doing email, whether you're a beginner or advanced, this is a tool that you can use, and you can use it for a very long time. Now, to get my bonuses, you're going to have to pick up your copy of Inbox Equalizer before my countdown timer hits 0, because when it does, my custom email or my custom bonuses will be gone, and I don't want you to miss out on that. So let's take a quick look at my bonuses because I want to show you inside of the members area. Now, the first thing I have for you is, obviously, we're talking about emails. I'm going to give you access to my best converting email subject lines. So what I've done is, over the years, I've gone through all my best converting subject lines, my emails that had the best open rates and all that kind of stuff, and I've put them into a guide or a PDF or whatever. And you can basically take these subject lines, put them into Inbox Equalizer, test them, tweak them to get the best scores. But these are the ones that worked well for me, and I'm going to give you a copy to them all. You can use them the way they are, or you can even just, update them for your own. The next thing I have for you is access to Urgency Suites Pro. So as you start to generate more emails, more promotions, more things like that, you want to add urgency and different things to your arsenal. So by able to putting in countdown timers and countdown bars and all that kind of stuff into your emails and pages, it triggers buying patterns, okay? Fear of loss is one of the things that, urge people to buy. By using Urgency Suites Pro, you're going to be able to add this to your emails and get them converting a lot better as well. Next, what do I have for you? Email sequence machine. So I'm going to show you exactly how you put your email sequences together to best convert. There's different ways that you write email 1 compared to email 3 compared to email 2. So there's all kinds of stuff in here. So I've got a training guide, I got a PDF in here, and a video training on exactly how all of these emails go together. I'm so excited about this. I've actually put more bonuses on my bonus page than I normally do. So that's got to tell you how excited I am, okay? Next, I have how to craft email subject lines. So not only am I giving you my subject lines, I'm giving you training on how to make good subject lines, your perfect subject lines, okay? Next, we have Drive Capture Email or Drive Capture Mail. So what Drive Capture Mail is a training. It's a video tutorial that shows you, obviously how to drive traffic to your capture page, what your capture page should look like, and how you get all those emails and what do you do with them after you have the emails. So obviously we're going to send out emails and stuff like that. So this is a great tutorial on, getting you started, building your email list, driving traffic, and continuing to capture the cycle. And, more and more emails, more and more money, okay? So let's talk about the special bonuses that we have for you. So this is the Inbox Equalizer team. They've got some special bonuses for you. We will just go over the sales page real quick. I just want to get into the dashboard and show you exactly how cool this thing really is. But they've got a whole bunch of stuff down here. I'm just going to show you there. They've partnered with a guy named Cam Jennings or Cam Fats, however you know him. But Cam has also teamed up with them, and he's giving you some of his stuff as well. So he's giving you access to Fat Stacks, which is something he revealed not that long ago or launched not that long ago. So he shows you some stuff in there on how he started a blog, a podcast, email list, and all that kind of stuff. So this is something that he was selling for $47. So he's going to show you how to do even more with that. So it says the new online wealth formula that nobody knows about. Lion Leads is a product from Sid. So he's giving you access to that as well. So it's talking you through what they say here is the holy grail of email marketing. So it's a video training that he calls Lion Leads. So you can expect to get, buyers leads and stuff like that onto your list. And the last one here, Jorge is giving you access to Jacking Master. So Jorge is a developer, a coder. He builds software. We've got a little something we're working on together, Jorge and I, which is going to be extremely cool as well. But he's got a really cool software that he's including as well. Okay, so lots of really good bonuses here, as you can see, and even my bonuses are like right directly linked into Inbox Equalizer. Okay, so it's a very cool system. I'm very excited about it. Now, as always, we'll get the bonus stuff out of the way. So how do you claim your bonuses? First, you're going to click on the link below this video. You're going to come over to my bonus page over here, and you're going to click on any of the red buttons where you can pick up your copy of Inbox Equalizer. You're going to come over to Inbox Equalizer. You're going to click on the purchase buttons, any of these red buttons here, and it's going to take you to the Warrior Plus checkout system. Once you go through the Warrior Plus checkout system, you're going to come up here to your username, click on purchase history, and it's going to bring up all your purchases. Click on Inbox Equalizer, and it will bring you to your receipt page. Your receipt page looks like this right here. You're going to click on this blue button here. It says Access Affiliate Bonuses, and it's going to take you directly, give you instant access to all of my bonuses that I just showed you. The Inbox Equalizer team, their bonuses are inside the members area, but you're going to get instant access to all of my bonuses. Okay? So even if you just pick up the front end of Inbox Equalizer, which I think is around $12, and we'll talk about that shortly, you get access to all of my bonuses. And there's some really good bonuses in there, guys. Okay? Let's check out the sales page real quick, and we'll just kind of go over some of the highlights. So this simple software makes your email marketing better in seconds, and it really does. This is a true push-button solution that you can work with. They've got a cool color coding system. It updates scores and stuff right in front of your eyes, and I'm excited to show you that, okay? So this really is, I'm not going to go through a whole lot of this. It really is what it says. It is a software that is going to help you write better emails to avoid, promotions tabs, spam boxes, and all that kind of stuff, okay? There is a lot of things that come into writing a good subject line and staying out of those spam boxes. There's a lot of stuff there. So, and they put all this stuff into a database that really shows you this, okay? So it takes your emails one step further into be able to avoid a lot of these traps, okay? So the one thing they have here, it's, I just want to show you something here. So, they have what they call a three-pronged strategy attack. So the first one here is the subject line analyzer. What you do is they've got a database of subject lines that's going to help you get started, And then it's going to score them. It's going to show you exactly what goes into them. And then as you change them, it upgrades right away. It shows you exactly what your subject line looks like as far as, best practices or, spam trigger words and stuff like that. Okay. Number 2 is they have what they call their content fixer. So if you write out your email, first you can copy and paste it in here, and it's going to kind of pick out some of the words that it doesn't like or that, are kind of related to spam. You don't have to change them, but it is something that you might want to look at and, just kind of craft a little bit. And then they've got a swipe file database. So inside they've got a bunch of subject lines and email content and all that kind of stuff. Okay. So this is a really cool system. I really like this. So I want to take you inside the members area right now. I can't even wait. So I want to show you inside of this. Okay. So once you come in here, this is the dashboard. They've got a welcome video here. So it talks you through just a quick what it does. So we're going to get into the tools here. Just click on tools. Jorge does live in Spain, so there is a Spanish module as well. So it's going to do all your subject lines and all that kind of stuff in Spanish as well. And if you can tell I'm excited, it's because I'm talking fast. I love this product. I'm very excited about it. So in here, they've got, if you click on using the tools, they've got 2 different training videos in here. They're going to walk you through how to use this system. It's super simple, so there's not much to it, but they do have it for you so you understand the system the first time you use it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you're going to use the subject line generator. So what I typically do is I use something called a headline analyzer, okay? So I would type my headline in here, and it would give me a kind of a score, okay? But I would go through this every time, so I got to test and tweak it, and then I got to go back, reload the page, all that kind of stuff. I don't have to do that with Inbox Equalizer. The first thing I want to do, I'm just going to hit preview. So you can see here they have a whole bunch of different, they've got tons and tons of subject lines. You don't like any of those? Hit preview again, updates it again, okay? So as you can see here, it's got scores, and it even tells you what these mean, right? So try to keep the character length between 40 and 60 characters. 13% of the character used are uppercase. Try to keep it below 10%. So it gives you all kinds of different stuff, okay? Right? So there's certain things here, even though it says 92, it's still showing B because, there's some other things in here that affect this, okay? But let's say I wanted to make it, the hidden mystery behind, let's just use affiliate marketing, right? So we put in affiliate marketing, and you can see the score changes here. So if we put affiliate marketing for beginners, right, it's a little long, but, you can take out makes it a little bit shorter, hidden mystery of affiliate marketing. You could change all kinds of stuff like this. You can make them how-to. So if I hit how-to, I can hit preview again, and we can change things. How to start, say living with less than $100. How to start a business with less than $100, okay? So you can see how it automatically updates and changes, right? So there's so many different ways you can do it. You can make it a question. Is this the world's easiest strategy? Okay. And he kind of gives you out easiest. Okay, so we'll put in recipe. Oops. Okay, so there's all kinds of, so as you can see, it changes the score, and that's the one thing I really like. So they have a huge database of different things that you can do in here, and you can change, you can put in certain words that you need to have in there, right? So when you hit these, the preview, these little blanks in here, so if I said I needed to have the word marketer, right? So advantages of disadvantages of, let's do marketing. Okay, so that has to be in there, okay? So as it changes, right? So 10 horrible mistakes to avoid when you... Okay, so some of these aren't exactly the way we want, but as you can see, the ultimate guide to marketing online, say. And you can change it. So you can see how cool that is, okay? So the next one is the content checker that I want to show you. So I don't have an email on hand that I can show you, but they've got different swipes here. So as you can see, you can say quit your day job. So it's going to load this up here, okay? And then you can change this. Okay, so what it does is, as you write here, so see how that was a 7 before? It made that less likely. So when you put that as certain words, so it starts, when you put boss in here, it changes it to red, okay? So showing you that it is a, oops, sorry guys. So it does show you that, let me just refresh the page here. I kind of messed up there. Anyway, so let's just say we pick, we'll go back to that one that we were doing there. Okay, so what it does is it highlights, or it's changed all the words that, to make them not stand out. But you can kind of go through and change some of these. If you put unlimited in here, it won't like unlimited either. So it's gone through and changed these. So when you write your own emails, you can put your stuff in here, and it's going to highlight all these words, and then you go and change it, right? So it doesn't have to be, even if it's experience, you can go and change all of these things to different words, to different phrases, however, just reword things. So you just want to reword it so it's less likely to trigger some of those things. So this is a very cool app too. So you can copy and paste this in here to kind of be ahead of the game to see where your stuff is inboxing, okay? So next, they've got some training in here. So they're telling you they're showing you how to build an email list, how to create autoresponders, checking deliverability. So if you click on checking deliverability here, they're going to show you how to use gmass.co. So what Gmass does is it shows you where you're in, like when you send your email, you go and send a test email through your autoresponder. You send it to these email addresses. It's going to tell you where it received these emails. So if we go to Gmass real quick. So what it does here is, these are all the people that are testing it. So you just send it to all of these email addresses, okay? So you just copy and paste it in there. And it tells you this is a 20-year-old Gmail account. So it's well established. So they've got different emails here, and it will just tell you where it shows up, right? And then, when it doesn't show up, like if it shows up in spam, for example, or whatever, you just go back to your email and you're going to tweak it, okay? So they're teaching a lot about this stuff on how you can make it better, okay? And they're just giving you training on how to get leads, how to create a landing page, the science behind, obviously open rates and stuff like that. Different hooks, case studies, and then what's next. And then they've got some additional training in here too, okay? So, and then you can access your bonuses down here as well, okay? And they've got another unannounced video or bonus down here. And then obviously they've got some upgraded stuff. So what I want to do is jump over to the sales funnel, and I'll tell you exactly what's involved. But even just for this, I love this software, guys. And I don't get this excited about stuff very often. I've been around a long time. So what they've got here is they've got a few upgrades. So obviously the front end is the Inbox Equalizer for $12.97. So that's a steal, okay? $12, $13, that's a steal, okay? So upgrade number 1 is the Producer Edition. So they're going to give you access to more done-for-you subject lines. So I think the Inbox Equalizer is 1,000 subject lines, which is a lot of subject lines. You're getting access to a database of 1,800, and the done-for-you swipes you're more than doubling those, okay? So they're getting everything all in one there. So that's a great upgrade. Upgrade number 2 is the Agency Edition. So you can have other users. You can sell this as your own. But you can have up to 10 users. So if you want to start a software business doing this, or allowing people to do this on your behalf, that's something you can look at there. And then they have a reseller rights package. So you can sell this as your own software and sell it as your own product, okay? So what Agency Edition is you can allow users to come in and use your product. You can sell access to it, where the reseller rights is you can actually sell it as your own code. Some key benefits here is obviously writing better emails, okay? It is a very powerful software. I think it's really cool. I think as you build up your email list, especially being new, if you're a new email marketer, you obviously want to have good inbox rates, good quality content. Chances are when you get in an autoresponder service, you're going to be on a shared IP if you're on with, GetResponse or Aweber. So you need to do everything that you can to maintain that IP reputation. So you obviously want to be writing the best emails that you can to make sure that they're not putting you on, bad IPs with, people that kind of spam a lot, right? So the better emails, the more power that you have. And as you get better and better at this, your inbox rate is going to go, skyrocket, okay? So they've got some quality training inside, and they show you how to build an email list. Even if you're new, you can take advantage of that. Real-time rating, and that's probably one of the coolest things, is the color coding of the subject lines. Okay, so as you do those, it's automatically real-time updating, showing you the score and the grade that it's giving them. So you can fix it right on the spot. Avoiding the spam box for obvious reasons. Done for you. So they've got built-in swipe file, and they've got a whole bunch of subject lines for you, and they've got lifetime access. Okay, they actually do have a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is very good. So you can give it a test run for 60 days. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But I think this is definitely a tool for $17, or not even 17, $13. It's a steal as you're building up your email marketing brand. Okay. So very cool, not a very big funnel, so it's good for you. A lot of great benefits there. There is a demo video here that kind of walks you through everything that I just walked you through. So, if you want to check out the demo video before you grab your copy of Inbox Equalizer, just smash the link below this video. It's going to bring you over to my bonus page. Check out my bonuses while you're here as well, because they are definitely worth a lot more than $13. And even if you just want my bonuses, grab this just for the bonuses. But this is a great little software that I'm going to be using a lot as well. So come over, check it out. Check out my bonuses. Check out the demo video here. And grab yourself a copy of Inbox Equalizer that goes live on the 24th of March at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to seeing you there. And this brings me to the end of my Inbox Equalizer review video. You like this video, find it helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for all my future reviews. And I look forward to talking to you soon. If you got any questions about this, please feel free to drop them in the comments box below, and I will talk to you soon.